Hi, my name is Carlos. I began taking this course called BOT0. I was kind of skeptical when I found this course online, and I decided to go ahead and take a shot and see what this was about. Within the first week, I was fortunate and surprised that I had an 800% return with BOT0 within the first week. I was so excited that I had to upgrade and uh, take the AI Bot 5 course, which was even better. 4 months later, I've had a 700% return on just taking this course, and it's only been 4 months. I would say it's unbelievable. Most people would not believe, but I'm going to be honest with you. Believe me, this is definitely something that I would say is worth the time to look into. Um, the support, the team, Alex, it's unbelievable. The type of level of support that I've had with AI Bot 5, uh, direct communication with the team, email, able to ask questions about some of the lessons on the course, specifics on the course, nothing vague, very specific. I definitely would say I've been fortunate to put a lot of time and effort to watch some of the lessons over and over again, and many hours during the week and sometimes as well as weekends. I've made a commitment with this course, and I would say it's definitely yielded a return that couldn't even imagine. It's changed my life. Um, no experience whatsoever in the markets, and I've been able to do all this without performing options. There's no options to be able to receive this type of return is unbelievable. And like I said, it's changed my life.